Welcome back, Patriots.
We are your 7th grade science teachers.
I'm Mrs. Love,
I'm Miss Anderson.
and you are in our Group 2 hybrid class that will meet on Tuesdays and Fridays every other Wednesday. So we will see you tomorrow.
For today, you're going to be doing a virtual locker assignment so we can get to know you a lot better.
You will find this virtual locker assignment on your Power School page under the Smart Start tab. Just go on down to the date for August 13th. You will find the links for the virtual tutorial video that will show you how to create this virtual locker. You're also going to find the links for the Google Slides that are your templates for your Google Locker.
Once you're completed with your virtual locker assignment, please make sure that it's very, very important that you hand it in under the Turn In tab. Go up to the top under Assignments and it'll say Hand In. You turn it in that way.
Please do not email us. We don't want 50 emails.
If you don't remember how to turn in the assignment, we'll be with you tomorrow so you can ask for help then. We hope you have a great day.
Relax.
And see you tomorrow.
You want to know?